Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness yesterday. We have seen gold is struggling to stay above 2650-55 levels, while silver has struggled in the resistance zone at 31-31-20. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a breakout here? Can we expect further highs in gold and silver, or there is a potential for reversal and a crash? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. The key events today includes the services PMI data from the US. The later in the day we have Chairman Powell's speech, which is going to give you a fair bit of insight on what to expect in the December meeting from Fed. Can we expect a larger rate cut, or it is just 25 basis points, or no rate cut? Also, the non-farm payrolls data this week is going to be the decisive factor as well. So yes, a bit of volatility ahead. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis and logical levels for you to trade and profit. The next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. What's happening in gold? See, drop, retracement, almost 50%, and now it is trading in this flag formation. It's a bullish flag. Let it break out of this. The more time it spends it around this zone, the higher the resistance levels are. 2658, 60 should be a greater resistance today, and then 64 levels. If these two levels are taken, I expect gold to bounce back towards 2676, 78. Right now the moving averages have crossed over, and these are almost flat, and it is trading with the median at around 26 42, 44 levels. And see, higher lows are also seen, while the struggle on the upside is also intact here. So the zone on the upside at 2650, 55 is also very, very crucial. So now in sum, looking at the charts, 2635, 40 on the downside, 2650, 55 on the upside should be a greater resistance zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a buy. The RSI is comfortable here. When you see the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice the movement here, drop, sideways movement. The more time it spends, and whenever it breaks out, it is going to be a stronger one. At the same time, remember the point that I'll show you this on the daily charts. On the 2-hour charts, it's getting a bit, you can say, you will not be observe the movement here, but when you see the 2-hour chart, this is very clear that this is trading. Gold is trading on the retracement channel, and it is now very, very important for gold to trade about 2684 and 2691 levels, and then 2720 and 2750. So four levels here on the upside which gold need to break in order to completely reverse and trade bullish this month. So these are the four key levels which definitely I'll be watchful of. But today, when you see what's happening today, that is very, very important. See, moving averages which is crossed over here have started to converge. Also look at the bigger tails here, suggest there is great downside support available, and on the upside now the resistances are acting strong as well. So now you can trade below 2640, but then 2638, 2636, 2634. Yesterday also I have mentioned the same. Till 2634 gold has got pretty strong support. Now look at the formation here, drop, retracement, drop, and if it retraces, it can potentially move towards 2658, 60, the next targets. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, the RSI is looking upwards. On the 3-hour, the observation remains same. Yes, the moving averages have flattened. I am waiting for the moving averages to diverge, which means the greater move has to appear. Right now, we can see diminished volatility, and the prices are almost stable here. Let it come out either which ways, either on the upside or on the downside. Looking at the move, it appears we might see an upward move which can take it towards 6065, and then in fact towards 7680 levels as well. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in rising mode as well, and the RSI is rising. Now see, despite the indicators being supportive of a rise, I can see the movement is missing here. Neither the bulls nor the bears are active here in the gold, and thus at current point we have to be trading with caution. Now see, the moving averages on the 4-hour charts have crossed over on the buy side, are trading almost flat without any significant divergence. And look at the last three candles. See, one swing candle, three retracement candles, and if you connect this, you will find lower highs. If you connect this, you will find higher lows. So now this is the zone which you should be watchful of. This is the zone where you have to be careful of. Any move beyond 2650 is a good sign for us to initiate a buying entry. Any move below 2635 is a good sign for us to take a selling entry. And thus this zone on the upside towards 2650-55, on the downside towards 2635-40, you have to be extremely careful with the gold here. Stochastic has dropped. See, MACD has flattened here, waiting for it to diverge. Now already we have seen a greater move here. Now it is almost flattened. It can hit double top before reversing. RSI rising, coming to on the daily charts. One point to note, let's see how gold is being trading after this single red candle, a sharp red candle. We have seen gold prices moderating here, and now we can see a bit of consolidation going. Also notice the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover on the daily charts, and this crossover or convergence is also appearing after 4 months. You can see this was the last time we have seen it converging, and now after almost 4 months it is trying to converge again. See, remember the point that it is not yet crossed. Also notice, you can see this, the support levels at 2620-22 on the downside, 2630 and 2635, very crucial. Now, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, higher lows are done. Also remember, yesterday was an indecision candle which is closed in green after couple of red candles. And notice the preceding candle, it comes with a bigger tail. This suggests that the prices were not willing to stay bearish. Now I will wait for it to break past the highs here, where we can see uh, yes, you can buy here at 2648 levels itself. Expect 2650, 52, 2655, 56, 2658, 60. Very good support, very good resistance, I'll say, till 2660 levels is available, and then 2664, 65. I'll wait for gold prices to trade about 2664, 65. Beyond this, stable is 76, 78 should be the first target, 85 should be the next, 90, 91 should be the third, and then we can see it hitting 2700, 2720 zone. Now notice one more point here. Look at the drop. It has started from 2720. Now even if you count a 50% retracement, see, already it has achieved 2660 levels. Now again it may try to potentially hit the zone once. Stochastic is comfortable here. The MACD is still in green. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. I will recommend you to buy here at 2648. Expect 2650, 52, 55, 60, 64, 65, and beyond this 76, 78, 85, then 91, and then 2700 plus levels are very much possible here. If not today, some point of time in. While on the downside, now the selling entry is limited at 26. 38 levels. Expect 26, 34, 35. Very good support there. And if it breaks below 26, 34, stay short for 26, 28, 30, and then 26, 20, 22. Any drop below 26, 20, 22 is a clear sign of more bearishness towards 26, 10 levels, and then 2602 levels. Well, if these two levels are taken, stay short for 25, 91 and 25, 82 levels here. Take your trades accordingly. Below 2580, we are looking forward to an enormous crash which is going to take the prices towards 2550. Chances for this happening appears to be less. It appears that we may see a little further rise. It can in fact move towards 2676, 78 or higher levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver has shown a little shine yesterday. We have seen it moving on the upside towards 3110, 3120 zone, and see what has happened after hitting the highs. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. The moving averages are trading bullish, and now the prices have taken the support from the 20 period. It can bounce back. So now if you see it is staying above 3110, initiate a buying entry. Expect 3125, 3150. Remember, it is very important for silver to break beyond 3150 in order to turn completely bullish here. Stochastic rising, the MACD. Now see, MACD after hitting the top has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This is one bearish sign that you have to be careful of, because see, it appears that it can try to retrace here on the downside. The RSI has dropped as well, coming to 2. Look at the 2-hour chart. See, after a bit of swing, it is trying to close in red. A greater resistance available here. Also, the support levels on the downside, 30, 80, 30, 60, 30, 40. I will say till 30, 20 levels. Every 10 cents there is a good support for silver. I will still not treat this as bearish as long as today at least 30-40 levels are not taken. Only bearishness in silver is available if it trades below 30-40. Else we may see slight retracement, but the support levels in between 30-60, 30-80 itself are going to play out very very well today. Stochastic drop, the MACD is in green trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is flat here. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar. Wait for it to give you a breakout either which ways. And on the downside, remember 30-80, 30-60 should be a very, very good support. The crossover in the moving average is a very good sign for the bulls here. Also, look at the formation. This is how silver has been trading. It is delivering an aggressive bullish channel, and now it is very, very important for silver to break beyond 3150. Any move beyond 3150, remember, I have mentioned yesterday, I am mentioning this today again. Remain bullish. We are expecting 32, 3250, and 33 very, very soon. In fact, the NFP data itself, in one day we can see this stronger rise. So yes, wait for it to trade above 3150. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI running flat here. On the 4 hour, now this is important to note. On the 4 hour chart, see, double bottom is formed. And if you divide this into two, this is how it has been trading. Now it means that the next highs are towards $32 levels. And in fact, we are looking forward to 32.50 or $33 levels very, very soon. Moving averages crossing over here is again a very good sign for the bulls. Now notice rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace towards where? It could retrace towards 3060 or in fact 3040 levels. But as long as now these lows at 3020 are not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish here. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, the RSI is flat. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts. The moving averages after the crossover are trading bearish. The prices are struggling between the 20 and 50. And now today, see, it has started with slightly higher highs. It can in fact hit higher lows, which means on the downside again 30, 60, 30, 40 should be a crucial support level here. Stochastic overbought. See, MACD after staying bearish has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness here. RSI is flat. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 3110. When you see the lower price above 3110, initiate a buying entry for 3120.25, 3145.50 levels. Once it breaks beyond 3150, stay bullish. We are looking forward to $32 levels at the next target, and beyond this 32.50, 33 should be achieved very, very soon. On the downside, take a selling entry at 3080. Expect it to move towards 3070, 3060. Very, very good support. 3040, 3045, the next support, and then 3020 levels. Any draw below 3020 is a clear sign of bearishness. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.